couple extra straws. We're gonna share it.
Sure.
Y'all ready?
I just want the blue.
You want the blue? He's gonna give us some straws.
There you go.
Thank you.
Hit it, Pixie!
Wow!
See?
At Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Pixie, you're making.
It's all about. Can I have some?
Okay.
Lena, your turn.
That one's just okay.
You gonna try the green milk?
Try the blue milk. Trixie said the blue is good. Try it.
Okay. It's not bad.
Is it good?
For the health and safety of everyone, face coverings
It's
must fully
not
cover your
good.
nose and mouth, and be worn at all times, except when actively eating or drinking while standing. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, and maintain physical distance. Thank you for your
Yeah.
Tastes like medicine from childhood.
All right. I want some of this blue milk before you drip it all.
I don't like blue milk.
Levi, come here.
Like I'm not.
They're almost identical.
Trixie said
They
that
just
one.
don't like the color.
They're made with rice and coconut milk.
Ew.
You would have never known if I hadn't told you.
See? These are going to
This
be for
much
Dad.
better. The blue one is this much better.
These are all going to be for Dad.
Trixie, do you want the blue one?
He's been wanting blue milk for about, I don't know.
Who has? Come
Me.
here, Levi. Sit over here.
Not a fan of the green milk if it's what Luke got out of the udders of those space walruses.
You want a straw?
Nothing like a little bit of old blue milk.
This one.